Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a 120V outlet, solid surface, and no moisture on the unit. First, attach the cooking plate and insert the drip tray. Make sure they click into place so heat distributes evenly. Once done, plug in the unit and set the dial to low for 1 minute to burn off factory residues. This step prevents odor and improves heat transfer. Finally, position your pans centrally so heating is uniform. You now control heat carefully. Begin on low, then increase gradually to prevent thermal shock and reduce splatter. Because the electric chula transfers heat through direct contact, use flat bottom pans and center them for uniform cooking. This improves efficiency and avoids warping. While cooking, keep an eye on oil temperature and stir every 2-3 minutes when simmering to prevent hot spots. If you need steady simmer, reduce the dial slightly and wait 30-45 seconds for the element to stabilize before judging the result. You finish by turning the dial to off and unplugging the unit. Let it cool for 20-30 minutes before touching the plate. Once cool, remove the drip tray and wipe the plate with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Do not immerse the base. If things go wrong, like uneven heating, first make sure the pan sits flat and the plate is clean, then test with a different pan. If the problem persists, stop use and inspect the cord and socket for damage before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.